We were talking about Reliance too, so let's address that one because they've decided to reduce the share capital of its step-down subsidiary, that's Reliance Retail. Shareholders whose holding will be affected will now be paid 1,362 rupees for every share that they hold. So how is this going to really work out? And how is it that they actually derived at this particular price of 1,362 rupees? Samit is here to give us perspective on all of this. Samit?
Well, the share reduction of Reliance Retail was one of the most talked about things over the weekend, and as per the latest disclosure, we are now understanding how has actually Reliance calculated or arrived at a value of 1,362. Now, as per the latest disclosure, what we are understanding is that the equity base of Reliance Retail stands at close to 899.5 crore shares, and of this 99.91% stake is owned by the promoter, that is Reliance Retail Ventures, which means that they are buying back 0.09% of the equity. On the valuation front, they had appointed two different valuers, E&Y and BDO. E&Y came up with their valuation of around 884 rupees per share, and BDO had a valuation of around 849. Now, E&Y in its report also mentioned that the brokerages are valuing Reliance Retail at 794. So out of these three values, Reliance Industries chose the highest value given by E&Y, that is at around 885 rupees. But still, they are paying Reliance Retail shareholders 1,362 rupees. So why is this 477 rupees extra that Reliance Industries is paying? Now, Reliance Industries completely understands that if they pay 885 rupees per share to a small shareholder, they'll have a tax burden on it. Hence, Reliance Industries is also compensating the tax burden for these small shareholders, and hence they are paying the 447 rupees extra. Now, if you reverse calculate at 1,362, the maximum tax liability would be at 35%, that is 477 rupees. So they are giving you 885 per share value, the 477 tax burden, and hence they have arrived at this 1,362 rupees value per share. Now, at 885 rupees value per share that E&Y had valued the Reliance Retail business, the entire business is valued at close to 8 lakh crore rupees, which is largely at par with what the street has been estimating the value for Reliance Retail.